أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة على أهلها رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي وصلى الله على محمد وعلى الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين. I begin this talk of mine in the name of Allah, the Supreme Absolute Being. He is Rahman, which means that His love, mercy and attention reach out to all His creations at each and every moment of their existence. And that He is Rahim, which means His special love and mercy and attention are showered upon those amongst us who remain steadfast in His path. So it is a great honor today as a member of the Pakistani nation that we are welcoming amongst us amidst the representative of the Islamic Republic of Iran, President Raisi. And it is really an honor for all of us to see him coming here at a time when the Ummah of Islam, it is a state of chaos, is disunited. And the only country and the only nation which is standing up against the enemies of this ummah, the treacherous and the wicked imperialists, arrogance, and the Zionists that are supported by all the regimes who do not believe truly in Islam. The only nation standing up to them is the Islamic Republic of Iran. And what is the reason for that? What is the basis? We have to understand that. The basis is that the system of governance there is based on the concept that the Quran gives us. The concept of leadership, the concept of wilaya, the leadership of the ummah based on competence, based on qualities of knowledge, of taqwa, of the competency to lead and manage the affairs of the ummah. This is what Islam says. Ati'u Allah wa ati'u Rasul wa ulil amri minkum. إنما وليكم الله ورسوله والذين آمنوا والذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم راكعون. The whole concept of wilaya is based on competency. Allah is our wali, is our Lord, is our master, because He deserves to be. The Holy Prophet of Islam is our Lord and master in the continuation of that wilaya of Allah Almighty, because he has the competency, the ability, the qualities to do so in the form of knowledge and isma and the competency to lead and manage the affairs of the ummah. And then in that continuity we have the imams, the sahiban amr, the ulul amr, who lead by way of example, yahduna bi amrina. And so a small, minuscule, or a small, minor reflection of that system of wilaya has been introduced in the Islamic Republic of Iran after the Islamic Revolution by Imam Khomeini. The nation of Iran adopted the system of wilaya based on competency, the faqih, the alim, the mujtahid, who has knowledge of Islam, who has taqwa, applies it on himself, and then he is capable of leading the nation towards Allah Almighty. They have adopted this system, and maybe there are many faults in it. No one claims that we are perfect, but just a small, minor application of that has led to the fact that today, after about 50 years, the Islamic Republic has grown to become a regional, but not only a regional power, a global power, which can look in the eyes of the enemy without any fear, without any feeling of defeat or of any sort of weakness, and it can strike back in the very heart of the enemy without any problem. This is due to the fact they have committed themselves to the wilaya, the concept of leadership which is the Quran presents, and they stand behind the leadership, and the leader supposedly The mullah who is leading the nation is leading the nation not only in religious values, in Islamic values and principles, rather he is leading the nation in the advancement and the progress of the nation in science and technology. Today, Iran leads in many fields of science and technology, in cutting edge fields of missile technology, nuclear technology, sperm cells, nanotechnology, and so many other things. And it is because of the fact that this nation has stood up on its feet. Today, we have the honor of welcoming this hero of the Islamic Ummah, President Raisi. He stands and represents for that system. We can learn from that system. If we bring our hands together, if we stand up together, the Pakistani nation is a beautiful nation, is a huge nation, is a wise nation. It has great competencies, it has great potential, can provide the leadership of the world. If we come together with Iran, Pakistan, Iran can save mankind, they can save the Islamic Ummah, they can save the whole of the world. This is the potential which exists today. So today I call upon all of my compatriots to come out to welcome our guest who is coming on the 22nd of April, and he shall be here from the 22nd to the 24th. He will be visiting Islamabad, Lahore and Karachi. So this is a great opportunity and occasion to welcome him with our open hearts and show our empathy with him and the nation which is standing up for the Palestinian cause, which is standing up against the Zionists, which is able to strike back, but has shown strategic patience throughout this 40 years of sanctions, of boycott, of military transgression upon it by Saddam, and after that many other issues, the Daesh, all of them, or the onslaughts, the cultural onslaught. Iran has stood up very uprightly, steadfastly. We can learn from the example. Let us put our hands together, let us come together, let us feel love for each other and remove all the curtains which are there between us, and grasp each other and lead the Ummah and lead humanity out of this pit that we have fallen into. And this person who is coming, the president himself, is a scholar, he is a faqih, he is a brave person, is a competent person. He is not only a leader, a manager, he is a person who is knowledgeable. He has a degree has a doctorate degree. He's an ayatollah. He delivers lectures of Dars Kharij. Even his wife is a learned person, and they are very humble people, and they serve their people. They go out to meet their people, despite all the dangers that are there. They come into the people they love, and their hearts throb for their people, and their hearts throb for the ummah. So I don't think they will feel any difficulty in coming into the midst of the people to hear. And I request the government of Pakistan and the government of Punjab and the government of Sindh to allow the people to meet these heroes and allow them to come closer to them, and hopefully we shall work together towards a better future. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.